Truckers, mount up. This is Trucking Report with Marcus Lewis, sponsored by the Late Bloomer Trucking Club. Let's get into this headline in Trucking Today. Brake Safety Week is coming up August 24th through August 31st. Inspectors will be checking brake systems across North America. This is a warning to all truckers that brake issues are still one of the top out of service violations. Make sure you are checking air system, hoses, slack adjusters, and lining wear before you hit the road, or you will pay big time. With that, this can play out two ways for truckers. On one side, prepping now keeps you safe and avoids costly fines and downtime. On the other side, if your trucks are not up to par, you will have to spend extra time and money to get those brakes taken care of. Remember, truckers, safety first. No load out there is worth killing people on the road for. Here's a question for the truckers. Are your truck brakes up to par? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Are you tired of falling behind in trucking? Click the link in the bio to join the Late Bloomer Trucking Club to always stay informed. That's it for this Trucking Report. I'm Marcus Lewis. As always, truckers, stay safe, stay sharp, keep your head on the swivel, and let's make trucking great again. Truckers, if you're tired of getting screwed in the trucking industry, you're not alone. Brokers lie, rates keep dropping, and there's no real information out there to help truckers win. That's why I built the Late Bloomer Trucking Club. No sugarcoating, no fake advice that doesn't work, just real numbers, real advice, and a real trucking community that wants to see you win. So if you're done getting screwed in this industry and ready to start winning, click the link in the description below and join the Late Bloomer Trucking Club today.